V is for violin. My name is Richie. I play the violin. Violins make very beautiful music. Violins with
have
been around
for
for a very long time. Very old people play violins. Very young people play violins. What is the very best instrument on earth? I
vote
vote the violin. U is for umbrella. Oh, it is raining. But go the umbrella. Umbrellas can be big. Umbrellas can be small. Umbrellas can be plain. Umbrellas can be unusual. I
love
love to
be
be under my umbrella
until
until the rain stops.